That's a crash.
Good morning, day number 28.
Well, how good is the morning? Hard to say it's good.
It's very rough and shit, same as that reconstruction over there. Don't ever stay in Faranah. It was cheap, but bucket water, electricity disappeared. Hospitality is shit. The host is rude. It was crap last night. Sorry we didn't finish yesterday's episode.
Because we were in a really bad mood yesterday. The room is like this. Under the bed was shit. The bucket. We don't have any electricity. Oh, sorry. What's up? The chain again? Oh yeah.
Oh, the chain is loose.
The next problem. Yay. I'm gonna take a food plate. We were eating it during the night and it made us sick. I don't know whether or not it was eggs or mayo. Maybe the combination of both, but we are bringing this plate back to the restaurant.
Over here.
Here. See. Merci. Daniel went to fill up his Orange internet as we used everything.
It's a long way to go.
5 hours, 311 kilometers.
Bye-bye.
That's a crash. One place in hopes that we're gonna tighten our chain as it's really loose. Our chain tightened, they asked us 20,000, which is equal to €2.
Merci, amigo. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. They will not bite. It's like backing up.
I think he's used to abuse.
They're like, no.
Still sliding. We just got stopped at the military checkpoint. Merci, amigo. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. And now we have to go fill up the petrol.
3 kilometers away. I am stuck now for like about 1 hour and a few minutes since Daniel is going back to the hotel and searching for the batteries. I already called the hotel and the hotel said that the batteries are gone. They are not there. They checked the hotel. So I don't know what to do at the moment. Daniel is angry. Of course he's angry because I did a big fuck up and I didn't check room correctly, or I lost batteries somewhere on the way, or they got stolen in a hotel. I have no clue. But at the moment, there's people who are helping me out, offering me water, they're offering me tonic. They're really nice and kind. One girl gave me her SIM card so I can write and text, so I'm really thankful for the people over here. And I was crying like all this time. Now I'm at least a little bit calm.
I still have thread, but I don't like these cracks. This crack and this crack. So I've been riding 160, 150 kilometers an hour most of the road. Probably average was about 130. Here's our little surprise. A fucking screw in the tire. Awesome. Oui.
Yeah, Faranah, exactly.
We came to here.
Yes.
My girlfriend forgot the batteries in the hotel, so
Yeah.
I had to drive all the way to Faranah and just come back.
Exactly.
We just got home. The host said that the electricity will be here in half an hour. So we hope for that to charge our devices. The price is 200,000, which is equivalent to 21 euros. Nearby there's a club opening, so there's going to be a lot of music during the night, but I hope that will not bother us to sleep and have a nice night's rest.
A bit dirty, because Guinea is quite muddy and rainy. I had 2 punctures today, which I had to repair. Kebson Hotel and Kebson nightclub as well. It's open, if I'm not mistaken, 6 days a week. It's nice.
Je vois pas le courant. Flamme. Un téléphone Guinée, iPhone Nandei, Samsung Nandei, iPhone pas technodera. Ça commence, synthétique Nandero, synthétique Nandero. Et c'est important. Donc je veux, toucher. Toucher les mèches, oui les mèches, toucher les mèches, en synthétique de Nero, Pampers Nandeo, ça commence.
I found this place very luckily by Google Maps, wearing Kissidougou. And good night everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and don't forget to share to your friends.